Hello everyone, and welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to update the phone number linked to your Google account. You can do this from almost any Google service or app, but for this tutorial, we'll use Gmail in a web browser. Open your preferred browser and go to Gmail, then make sure you're signed in to the Google account where you want to change the phone number. Next, click on your profile icon and select Manage your Google account. There are other ways to access this page, but this is the method we'll use. From here, open Personal Info. Inside this section, find the phone option, which is located just below your email address. Here, you can remove the existing phone number and select the Setup option to add a new one. Click on Setup, then choose to add a new phone number. You'll be asked to select an existing number or enter a new one. In this case, choose Use Another Number and click Next. Now, enter the phone number you want to use. Make sure you have access to this phone, because Google will send a verification code to it. When you receive the code, enter it to confirm, and the new number will be added to your Google account. That's all for today's tutorial from One More Guru. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides like this.